Princess Fairy, look at my wings! I love... Amelia, which dance party should I go?
Magic dance party.
Magic dance party? That's my home court, Amelia.
Princess Magic has rough skin. She needs to apply a facial mask. Let's make a flower facial mask. Add some milk to get better skin. Stir to mix the flowers and milk. Slice a cucumber for eye masks. Wow! The skin is getting much better. Let's put on makeup.
Oh! Wow!
Put a beautiful pattern on her face. Help the princess put on earrings. Match the makeup with a necklace to be more fabulous. Wow, what a gorgeous look! A magic crown is required for the magic dance party. Add beautiful gems to the crown. Match the crown with a gorgeous dress. Choose a nice-looking hem of the dress. Add sleeves to make the dress look even prettier. What a pretty match! Which pet would you like to bring to the dance party?
Amelia, I am going to be glamorous at the magic dance party.
The princesses are coming! Let's decorate the magic dance party! Let's install beautiful glass windows for the dance party! Crystal lights will make the dancing floor more glittering! Let's pick some pretty little butterflies for the stage. Wow, the dance party starts! Let's go dancing! Let's take 2 photos for memory. What a wonderful dance party! Let's check out the nice pictures we have taken.